living and style expert Candy Holladay as she trips through her days while trying to flourish, look fab and have a blast, even when life gets in her way. Let's make every day feel like a holiday.
Okay, you sleepyheads, time to get up. Morning. Welcome to Holiday Mornings, where you wake up with fun, fashion, and spa-inspired ideas to energize your morning so you can seize the day. I'm Candy, your host, and today I'm cheering you on. It's a super fun trick to motivate you when you just wake up and make you feel happier all day. I just created it myself, and I'm going to be trying it, and I want you to join me. But first, if you've just found us, welcome. And of course, a huge holiday hug to all you regulars. Don't forget about all the recipes, product links, pictures, videos, and goodies from the show are in the show notes on lifesaholladay.com. And we have our monthly style holidays are continuing on Instagram. That's the Candy Holladay at CandyHolladay Instagram account. And April, we are going to be doing spring cleaning, preening, and Parisian spa dreaming. It should be so fun. So get your berets because we're also going to be doing some French wake-up routines here on Holiday Mornings. How are y'all this morning? I am still in Chattanooga, where April is delivering its promised showers. I tell you, I cannot wait until those Mayflowers come. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It's just like beating down outside my window here. And between the rain and staying up, I was up until like 1 a.m. last night. I know, so bad, right? I was working on our new show that we've got coming out called Style Bites, and I'm so excited about it. Yeah, I just couldn't go to sleep. I wanted to do like one more thing. You know how that goes? And today is just a struggle. But, it got me thinking because the sound of the rain was so soothing and it just made me want to snuggle up and cuddle up under the covers and go back to sleep. I was thinking, wouldn't it be great to have like a sound as you wake up that's a super happy sound, something that's just wonderful and motivating and empowering? And I remember reading that applause, and of course applause makes us all feel happy. I mean, who doesn't want to have a really great round of applause? I mean, have you ever heard somebody like turn away applause, like, no, I don't want that. Oh, no, get away. No. And I even remember from when I was in pageants and dancing and baton twirling and all those crazy things that I did, that the applause, I can remember the applause and how much that made me just feel like special. The article that I read even said that basically applause is us literally patting someone on the back. Isn't that cool? I'll link to that study in the show notes just in case y'all want to go check it out further. Because I thought this would be just the most awesome sound ever to wake up to, I came up with this idea. So here's what I'm going to do, and I want y'all to try this with me, and it is going to be super fun. I swear, we are going to all feel like rock stars. As soon as I wake up, I'm going to play an applause sound effect for 2 minutes and listen to it while I drink my first glass of water. And I found a few ways to fill the bedroom with applause. First thing, the simplest is this applause button. And y'all, this is just super rad. It's like, you know how on a game show they always have those buttons on their little game contestant consoles, to like hit bang, I know the answer, or bang to block somebody, or whatever, I haven't really watched game shows in a long time, but I remember those buttons, right? Because it's kind of like such a fun thing, just whacking a button first thing in the morning. This button is you just set it on your bedside table or nightstand, and you just hit it, and it begins to applaud you. And then hit it again, and it stops. Easy peasy. And I'm going to put a link in the show notes to the button. It's $14.99, and it's called an applause button. And I'll put a picture up, too, just so y'all can see what it looks like. But I also came up with 2 other ways. These are just a little more, not complex, but they just require a little bit more finagling on the back end. The very first one is at the end of this episode, this podcast, right before my announcer starts, I have inserted 2 minutes of applause. So if you're listening to this show on an iPhone or an iPad, you can wake up, play that bit of audio in the morning, and I will put the exact spot where the applause starts in the show notes so you can just skip ahead right to that spot. Or I found a YouTube video from Sound Effects King, and you can play that on your phone or iPad first thing in the morning. It's actually longer than 2 minutes. I think it's about 3 minutes, but you can just watch it and stop it when it gets to the 2-minute mark. And I will put a link to that video in the show notes. And that's it. Applause, applause, applause. Which, by the way, is also a musical from, I think, the 60s or 70s. Look it up. It's really super fun. But anyway, I really want to know how this is going for y'all. Give me a shout out on Candy Holladay. We're on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can come to the website and send me an email if you want to. Whatever, just let me know how it's going. Is this affecting your mental outlook in the morning? Are you waking up easier? And I will do the same. And as always, huge hugs for spending your morning with me. And I'd love to hear your honest reviews on iTunes if you get a sec. See you next time. Bye. Let the applause begin.
Don't forget, you can shop the show and get the 411 on this episode at lifesaholladay.com. That's HOLLADAY.com. Meet Candy on Candy Holladay YouTube channel for more adventures. See you next holiday.